We previously told you about a dozen public school fire alarm systems that are inoperable. Now the Department of Education has released a list of the schools with faulty fire alarms. Christy Tomashiro follows up.
In a report to the legislature, the Department of Education has released the names of schools with fire alarms that are not up to par. The report shows 14 schools' fire alarms are in critical condition, with 13 needing a complete replacement. One school in poor condition, meaning alarms are aging, and 8 schools in fair condition, meaning alarms are still functioning on limited capabilities.
We've tried to repair and keep existing systems running as much as we can, and that's for fiscal purposes to preserve what we have. What we're finding is the parts are no longer available, hard to get, and that's only proliferating or making the problem compound.
The teachers union says the fact that there are any schools on this list is unacceptable.
We were looking at that list and we see that over 15,000 students attend these schools. 15,000 students and all the faculty and staff at these schools who are at risk. This needs to be addressed right away.
The DOE adds there are 11 schools using a fire watch plan for their campus due to inoperable systems. Conawana Elementary teachers say the fire alarms have not worked in nearly 4 years.
We're on fire watch, which means that all of the adults on campus are responsible for reporting signs of a fire, whether that's smelling smoke, seeing a fire, that kind of thing. But it really depends on people being in the right place at the right time.
According to the DOE's report, the projects to replace and upgrade the fire alarms will cost $41 million. It'll also request $10 million annually for the next 5 years.
Seeing that there's still a financial gap of $41 million to be able to address 24 fire alarms that are in critical, poor, or fair conditions is still unacceptable.
Meanwhile, a group of bills are moving through the legislature requiring schools to have more safety measures. The DOE says each school has an interim emergency plan in place until their systems are fixed. It adds it's working with agencies to prioritize permit approvals for health and safety related projects. Christy Tomashiro, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.